welcome to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my lock friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about my 8-month lock update. So hit that subscribe button and we will get right into it. Okay, so let's just speak about what's noticeable. The frizz is still there. And in my 7-month knock update, I did say that being handsy in my hair may be contributing to the frizz. So the big question is, did I stop being handsy in my locks? What do you think? 50-50. I think I did great for the change, but not all that. The frizz is still there, but I did decrease my hands in my hair. So it could be that it's just frizzy, and I will love it until it goes away, and then I'll miss it. So frizz is still there, and growth is still coming along. 8 months has been going very well. Next week, Tuesday, I believe, the 17th of November, I'll be making 9 months in my lock journey, so I'm very excited about that. I treated myself to a hot oil treatment. The color came back nicely. You can check out that video with me doing the hot oil treatment. The color is nice and shiny. It looks vibrant again, so it doesn't look dull. I'm happy that I did that hot oil treatment. Also, when I wash my hair, I can feel the difference. Like, it's a little weight when I'm washing. I can feel the actual locks forming. I think I'll say from hair to hair is lock. So I can feel that while I'm washing my hair. I can even feel it now. It's a little weighty. And I also cut my ends. You can say cut or trim, whichever one, but I cut my ends. I'll show some pictures with the shears, just not a regular scissors. The ends were very straggly, so I actually have a next one. So you see this, all of this. What I basically did was from here, and I cut. So let me see if I can find it. So all of this was just extra ends for no reason. So yes, I just cut that. Let me see if I can find it. I think it was this one. So cutting my ends really made my hair feel healthier and fuller. So I definitely will be making that part of my regimen. Maybe every 4 weeks I wash and I just trim it. So therefore it doesn't have like these little ends just straggling along the place. I did keep this one, however, I liked how it looked. It's not really bothering me because it's just there. But the others I did cut. Before I said that I am experiencing lots of growth, honestly, if you haven't tell, I have another lock growing. After I did that hot oil treatment, maybe like a week or 2 weeks after, I saw this and I'm like, where did that extra hair spread out from? So I just coiled it for right now. So it's a little lock, just growing. So I might just leave it. I'm unsure of what to do with it, if to just lock it or keep it as a style. Like every time I put my hair up, I like curl it so it can look fancy. I don't know yet. My 2 fluffies, I'm not sure if you remember them, but it's growing nicely. I think it was up here when I first did it, and now it's down, so it's growing. So that's pretty much it for my 8-month lock update. Basically still using the same products, nothing extra, still water, every week using the same oils. And basically the major update was I trimmed my ends, so my hair looks nice and healthy. I did a hot oil treatment, making my locks look more vibrant and luscious with this color. Being locked is such an amazing experience, and if you're thinking about being locked and you haven't started, sis, bruh, what are you waiting on? Like, honestly, it's I wish that I started from when I said I was gonna start 3 years ago. So definitely, if you want to do it, just dive right into it. It's amazing, and oh, I'm loving it. So you will love it too. I guarantee you that. So I'm just gonna say it again. I love my lock journey. I love how my hair is looking. Let me just give you a quick 360. I'm not gonna take this down because my edges is laid and I'm feeling nice and fancy. So I'm not gonna take it down. I'm now to the point where persons are asking me, how long have you been locked? Like, ooh, my hair looked locked. Like, I thought it just looked like old twists, but it's now looking like locks. So definitely hang in there. Your hair is gonna start locking and start looking like locks. So be patient and growth to your journey. So definitely hit that like button. Leave a comment. Let me know how your 8 months is doing, how your lock journey is doing. And I will definitely like to hear from you all. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and share with all of your friends. So see you until next time.